Introducing Kornit's Avalanche. The Avalanche's innovative technology and robust design answers the industry need for larger print surfaces and higher volume production in a shorter delivery time. The Avalanche's innovative dual bridge design maximizes production speed by allowing simultaneous white and CMYK printing, making the Avalanche the optimal solution for the mass production of light and dark garments. The exceptionally large print area enables printing up to 60 by 90 centimeters, optimal for extra large garments, cut pieces, and all-over prints, meeting demand for individual fashion design concepts. Kornit's cost-cutting integrated pre-tee system eliminates the need for secondary operation and outsourcing, enabling faster workflow and production times. Simply pick up a garment out of the box, slide it on the pallet, and press the print button. Production speed is further enhanced by the Avalanche's efficient and cost-effective bulk ink system. Holding 1.5 liters, it ensures superior ink utilization for smooth, high-volume printing. The innovative operating software with its user-friendly interface enables multifunctional operation, advanced color control, and simple and enhanced job log management. And as if all this isn't enough, the Avalanche is the only machine on the market to support a fully automated web-to-print process for online orders. If you're looking for faster turnarounds, higher profitability, and the lowest printing costs in the industry, look no more. You've just been introduced. The Avalanche from Kornit, when performance matters.